Of the two Happy Camper collections that I had and used, this is what is left of the whole collection. So let's see what all I made. Hey guys, it's Beth. Welcome. I have finished off the two Happy Camper collections from Echo Park that I had. And this is just, I always like to do a wrap-up video since I've done different videos for each project I did. I like to kind of do a wrap-up video just to share everything that I made all at one time, because it's always just, it always feels more impactful that way, to me anyway. So I had the two Happy Camper collections, and they both had 12 sheets of pattern paper plus a sticker sheet, so 24 sheets of paper, and I feel like I got a lot out of those 24 sheets. Now I did also bring in cardstock for a lot of my base pages on my scrapbook pages, and then I also did do some card mats with cardstock as well. But I did make 9 pages, so I didn't do 9 full layouts, but there are 9 pages. There are a couple of 2-page layouts that I did, and they all kind of centered around camping adventures. That was the first video I did, and all of the videos that I made for these collections were process videos. So if you've missed any of the videos and want to check out more details on the projects, they will be linked in a playlist in the description box below. The next thing I made, I have 3 Post-it note pads, just little decorative Post-it note pads. And I did use scraps for these. These were like some of the bigger scrap pieces, but you know, one scrap made both of these. So got the 3 Post-it pads, and then I ended up with 79 cards. So this was split into 2 videos. I did one where I was using the kind of starting with the full sheets of paper that I had left, and then I did a second video that was just scraps, like the little scraps that I had left. So just because I knew that first video was already long, so I wanted to break that into 2 different videos. Variety of cards. There's birthday, there's hello, there's, you know, some more masculine birthday cards. So just kind of a fun variety. I tried to utilize the stickers that came on the sticker sheets as best I could. They didn't fit on like all of the projects I did. There's kind of a "You're awesome" encouragement card. You know, this one just doesn't really have a sentiment. It's just a camping theme. Most of these will probably be donated to one of the card charities that probably ones that revolve around kids. So either Cards for Cubs, Cards for Hospitalized Kids, Send a Smile for Kids. There are a few that I can donate to some of the adult card charities as well. But I kind of had, you know, kids in mind. Not that an adult doesn't need to know that they're amazing too, but you know, most of the kids card charities are dealing with kids who are either, you know, in the hospital or in foster care, or who are just somehow dealing with blows from life and need a pick-me-up. So just, I'm not going to go through all the cards because there's 79, and I did do them all on video with you. So that is how I used 2 collections together, because like I said, I started on one and then found another one in my stash, and yet they weren't exactly the same. So combined them together to make all of the projects. I know one of the reasons I like to do videos like this is because if you get the Echo Park warehouse boxes or some of the other warehouse boxes, you get collections or paper pads that you wouldn't necessarily have chosen for yourself. So sometimes those are harder to use. You know, can you donate them or, you know, give them away? Absolutely. But if you are like me and like it, even though it's not something you would have used for yourself, and so you don't want to give it away, I try to make these videos for you so that you can get ideas on how to use those. Maybe in ways differently than you would normally use a paper pack. So that is it for the Happy Camper project. I am finally done, can move on. When you guys voted, you voted between Happy Camper, a zoo safari, and a circus. And I believe the zoo safari theme came in second, so I am going to jump to that one next and see what we can do with that as well. Again, another kind of hard to use unless, you know, you have a lot of zoo pictures, which strangely I do have a lot of zoo pictures to scrapbook. So there will be more scrapbook pages, but there will also be other projects as well. So stay tuned for that. Hope you guys enjoyed, got some ideas. Hope you are inspired to pull out those not well suited for you themed collections or pads and try to put them to good use. Even if you're going to donate the projects, at least have some fun with the paper and use it to bring someone else some joy. So that's all I've got for you guys today. Thank you so much for your time and hope you all have a very crafty day.